Welcome, my name is Alyssa and this is Oils with Alyssa. Today we are going to be talking about our monthly subscription or the Essential Rewards box. And I'm excited to share them with you because we've got a lot of goodies in here. Hello, how is everyone? I apologize for how raspy I sound. I'm getting over a cold. Luckily, we've had this glorious box show up today. So, hi everyone, welcome. My name is Alyssa and this is Oils with Alyssa. Today we are going to be talking about our monthly subscription or the Essential Rewards box. And I'm excited to share them with you because we've got a lot of goodies in here. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up here. And let's go ahead and start with some of the things that are pretty common in our household. Those are too new, so let's put those away. I don't want to talk about those yet. So first we've got Super Cow Plus. And what this is it is a vitamin D, vitamin K, calcium, and magnesium supplement. So I take 2 of these every single day. Next is multigreens. So multigreens for me, a little over a year ago, a friend of mine did the Zyto Health scan on me, and it came up that I need Melissa oil for emotional support. Well, Melissa oil for, I think it's a 5 milliliter bottle, is $150. Well, I can get the benefits of Melissa oil in this supplement here because it's in it. So I take 3 of these daily to get my Melissa oil. The multigreens have so much more than that in it. They've got protein, iron, sodium, and then they are loaded with essential oils as well, Melissa being one of them. Alright, next we have Powergize. So this is actually an old empty bottle. My husband actually stole the new one to take to work with him tonight because this is one that he can't go without. He takes it 1 to 2 every single day. Next, and this one I've actually been loading up on right now, we've got Inner Defense. Inner Defense is a blend of, I believe it's 8 different oils. Thieves, clove, rosemary, lemon, oregano, thyme, and cinnamon bark. And what this is a powerhouse for your immune system. So whenever you're feeling down, whenever you need a little boost, this one here is great for that, especially with the icky season coming up. I took 3 earlier today so that I could try to get over this cold that I have. Alright, next we have Nature Red. Now what this is, I'm going to go ahead and open it so I can show you. So what Nature Red is it is an antioxidant rich drink. So every day our bodies need 8 to 11,000 antioxidants to stay above the line of wellness. Well, in this little 2-ounce pack here, 3,000 antioxidants in this one little 2-ounce pack. I've actually taken 6 ounces of this today to try to get over this cold, and I am feeling so much better than I did this morning when I woke up. Packed full of antioxidants, which our bodies need to perform at their highest. And we actually got 2 of those boxes because I like to make what is called Red Drink. Red Drink, I'll go over that again on another day, has sulfurzyme, lime, 2 ounces of Nature Red. Then I take an empty Nature Red bottle, fill it up with filtered water, and I drink 2 of those throughout the day. It just helps give you a boost. Next, we have Thieves dish soap. And this little bottle here is equal to 3 bottles. I'll actually have the little hack for that later on, but I mean, my dishes have never come cleaner with little to no effort at all, with literally just 1 drop. I can get a whole sink full of dishes clean. I love this stuff. It's a powerhouse. It has the Thieves blend in it as well. Let's talk about that one last. Should have talked about the inner defense last as well. Alright, next, this is another staple in our household. This bottle here is amazing. Let's see if I can get it open here so I can show you. So what we have here is the Thieves laundry soap. And this little bottle here lasts my family with 4 boys 2 months. And I've got another video coming for you on how you can make this bottle actually double into 2 bottles, and how we do that here in our household to make it last. Alright, so those are a lot of the staples in our household that we use. So next, I want to talk about the promos, and I'm going to go back for just a minute to Inner Defense. So Young Living every month has what is called their promotions. Well, one of the free promotions this month was this bottle of Inner Defense. Normally it's $33. We got it for free this month. I take 2 of these capsules, I cut them open, I put it in a roller bottle, and then I roll it right onto the bottoms of my boys' feet to help boost their immune system, because 2 out of the 3 are in school. So we do anything we can to stay healthy. Next, we've got Thieves Foaming Hand Soap. And this bottle here, again, actually makes 2 bottles. So I take half of it out, so this is 8 ounces. So I take 4 ounces out, add 5 drops of Thieves essential oil, and then top it with warm filtered water to get it all to mix. And this one bottle just made 2. Next, and comes with a little foamer top as well. So next we have some new oils for us here. So one we have is clove, which I love putting in the diffuser. I can actually put up a diffuser recipe that smells just like a pumpkin pie came out of the oven. It's amazing. So this one here is new to us. This is called Manuka. And Manuka is great for your skin. It gives you that healthy glow. It's just, I mean, all around amazing for your skin. I've had my eye on this for a while. And this month, it was free. I didn't have to pay for it. Next, we have got 3 in this tube here. So we've got ImmuPower, Digize, and Lime. So Lime I actually got because of the red drink that I told you about. So with Lime, you take the Vitality and put 3 drops of that in with your Lucia, and it actually has bioflammable components to it, which helps your body flush out what it needs to flush out. Alright, let's get this box out of the way, because I want to line all this up here and show you one more time what all we got here. Oh, let's go and talk a little bit more here about Digize. So this, I like to call the I just ate too much Thanksgiving dinner. This here is going to help with the bloating, the gas, the digestion, just anything you need. Roll it on your tummy. You can take the Vitality version of this, which comes with a white label, add it to a vegetable capsule, and you can take it internally. This one, I mean, great for all-around tummy support. ImmuPower. This is another powerhouse for the immune system, especially with, excuse me, the cold and flu season coming up. So with this here, you'll notice it has a childproof cap. Let me come a little bit closer so you can see that. So it's got the childproof cap on it because it has wintergreen in it. Wintergreen is a very strong oil. So anything that contains wintergreen is going to have this childproof cap on it. It's safe once diluted to use on kiddos, but you don't want them to use, just, grab this and start putting it on. So it's got that childproof cap on there to help keep your kiddos safe. Alright, so let me build this up here so you can see. I want to show you all the goodies that we got for free this month. So, Inner Defense, free this month. Thieves Foaming Hand Soap, free this month. Clove Vitality, free this month. Manuka, free this month. Digize, free this month. And last, ImmuPower. So all of these here equals $258 that I got for free. I have never met a company that is more generous than Young Living, because they are willing to go above and beyond for us, for our health and wellness, because to them, these bottles of oil are life-changing. They really are. Having them in your home, being able to use them, being able to access them, is what Gary wanted. That was his vision. That's what he wanted for all of us, was oils in every home around the world. Every month you can build your collection and get free oils. And for my family, that's how we try new ones. That's how we find ones that we like that we may have never known before. One of our absolute favorites before it was in the starter kit is Raven. I love Raven. It smells amazing. It comes in your starter kit now though. Before it came in the starter kit, I got it for free one month. It got us through the icky season last month. I love to make a coconut oil chest rub. Put it on the chest, on the back, on the bottoms of the feet. Works amazing to help cool and soothe and just open those airways to make it easier for you to breathe. So with Essential Rewards, every month it's different. You have the option to customize your monthly box. This was all things that my family needed. It's not a pre-designed monthly box that you get every single month, whether you want to or not, whether you like what it is or not. No. I gotta pick laundry soap. I gotta pick dish soap. I gotta pick my calcium supplement. I gotta get my multigreens. I got to get Powergize for my husband. All of these things are things that my family use, and every month you get to customize your box. You get to pick what you want in it. Up to $300, you get 5 to 7 different products for free every single month that you can use to build your collection. So whenever something arises, you have what you need to support your family. Alright, so this has been our monthly box. Thank you so much for opening it with me. If you're not a member of Young Living and would like to lock arms with me, or would like to learn more about the things that I talked about tonight, or even how you can become a member, you can go to myyl.com/alluringoils. At the bottom, you'll find a contact me page, so you can get in touch with me directly. If you're new to Young Living, I'm ready to lock arms with you. You can find my information in the bottom. It's going to be linked across the screen for you as well. If you have any questions, I'm more than happy to answer. If you are part of the Oily family, I hope you enjoyed my monthly box, and I can't wait to see what you got in yours. Thanks. Bye.